Welcome to the launch of Microbial Genomics, Basis to Biology, a fully open access, online-only journal from the Society for General Microbiology. Please join me in giving a very warm welcome to our two editors-in-chief, Nicholas Thompson and Stephen Bentley.
Genomics, as everyone knows, is a technology-driven field, and it's also a maturing field. It becomes a maturing field. Still developments going apace, but actually a lot of the publishing in the area that we work in genomics seems to fall through the gaps. It hasn't got the superlatives, it hasn't got the number one, the first, the biggest, the best. And what we hope is this journal will actually foster that, take the biology, look for novelty, and fill the gaps between these sort of frontline science and natures and the other journals that really can't move as rapidly to see the novelty in the biology in some of the genomic data.
It's going to be, as you would expect, an open access journal, fully open access to read. And for at least the first year, it will be free to publish as well. There's also going to be a rapid turnaround model, so it's going to be continuous publication, so it's not going to have monthly publications, which means that your papers will be out there and citable within 3 days of being accepted, and then the final full version will be out within 4 weeks. So, welcome to the journal.
What made you want to get involved in the running of a scientific journal?
So I've been working on the inside of the SGM, and I can see the real dedication that people have, the motivation, which is to foster science, to now lobby for issues that are important for microbiology. And these journals do exactly the same. It's a not-for-profit, and any surplus from publication costs that will go straight into organising events like this. You can't really get any better than that, and that's the reason I'm on the Prokaryote committee, and it's the reason I want to do this journal.
So if you have a look at who's on the editorial board, it's really like a who's who of the microbial genomics Twitterati. You've got people like Nick Lohman and Kat Holt, Paula Hoskisson, Alan McNally, Bill Hannage, a number of folks that, you know, every day you see tweeting about microbial genomics and really engaged in the conversation online. I also really like the fact that the editorial board is quite gender balanced really well. You've got this online component, you've got women in STEM, and I think the most important thing, as you can see on the screen, is open data. I really think that open data is what will sort of help us to prevent the 21st century pandemics. So a journal that holds open data near and dear to its heart is just, it's the cat's meow.
Visit our journal website at mgen.sgmjournals.org for any more information.